Hello everyone. So in this lecture we'll see how power factor affects electricity bill. So have you wondered why two homes using same appliances can still have different electricity bills? So the answer is power factor. So answer is power factor. So because of that power factor, different power factor, because of different power factor, so they are giving different electricity bills. So power factor tells us how efficiently electricity is being used. So that power factor is the ratio of actual power doing useful work to the total power. This is called power factor. Even we can write power factor is equal to real power in kilowatt by apparent power in kVA. A power factor close to 1 means power is used efficiently. Power is used efficiently. Now a low power factor means, so that is less than 1. So that if power factor is less than 1, so means wastage. So more electricity drawn more electricity drawn than actually used. So means whenever there is a power factor less than 1 means, so whatever actual power is required, that house or that component is consuming more electricity. So when power factor is low, more current drawn increases. So if current drawn increases means more load on wires. So that because of that there will be more load on wires. And then what are the other effects? More heating loss. So that more heating loss. Then because of that more demand on transformer. So electricity companies charges extra if your power factor is low. So that companies who is distributing that electrical power, they are charging extra because of that low power factor. Suppose your load requires 10 kilowatt of real power. Then power factor, if power factor is 1, so in that case apparent power is 10 kVA. Then apparent power will be 10 kVA. Then current drawn will be low. Now if we consider the second case, power factor is 0.7. So in that case apparent power will be more. So that will be 14.2 kVA. From the calculation we can find out. So then the current drawn will be high. So from these two comparison, we can say with the low power factor, you draw 4.2 extra kVA. So increase your bill even though work output stays the same. Work output is same. So to reduce this extra power requirement, we need to use some components like power factor correction using capacitors capacitors, then vfd drive for motor, that is for motor. So this type of other device, some other technique is also there by which you can increase the power factor. So high power factor. So finally, what in conclusion we can say that high power factor high power factor is equal to less current is equal to less loss, so it's equal to electricity bill lower electricity bill. So keep your power factor above 0.95 to avoid penalties and save money. Thank you.